Hi guys, come with me to salon to get my nails done. As you guys can see, hindi na okay yung nails ko. Yung nail technician kasi na gumawa ng nails ko, medyo malayo siya sa akin. And I don't have that time anymore to travel. So since meron naman akong pinupuntahan talaga na salon, doon ko na lang ipapatanggal yung nails ko. Finally done with my nails, and now I am going to the mall to buy stuff. I am planning to buy prescription glass. Good evening po. So yung errands natin is mag-withdraw and bumili ng glass, magpa-duplicate. Kaso sa taas pa yung duplicate, so I will withdraw first. I got myself French fries from Potato Corner. Medyo na-distract ako. So, ngayon, let's go back to our errands, which is iduduplicate natin yung susi ng apartment. And then, I will buy some medicine kasi feeling ko magkakasakit ako. Hindi ko alam, parang sinisinat ako. And then, medyo masakit yung ulo ko this past few days. Kaya, ayun, gusto ko din bumili ng salamin na may prescription. Okay, got the goods from Watson. Bumili ako ng mga gamot na pang sakit sa ulo. Kasi feeling ko, nalagnatin ako. So, hindi ko carry ng walang medicine. Kasi, hindi ako makakakilos. And plus, hindi ako pwedeng magkasakit kasi exam week na namin. Now, I am going to eat dinner. Ay, hindi. Magpapaduplicate muna ako bago ko kumain. And then, I'll go home na. Kasi, I need to study pa. I have exam on Saturday. Pililing ko daw.
Dala niyo yung egg apples? Hindi.
Hindi ko.
Okay lang po.
So, I got my glasses na from Sunny's. And babalikan ko yung prescription glass ko. Maybe tomorrow. I am going to unbox some of my parcel. I know what I bought. So, let's start first with this parcel. I bought already a Sola bodysuit. I love their packaging. They have sticker pa. I hope magkasya na sa akin kasi I picked small size. Kasi extra small yung binili ko last time. I'm so excited to wear this. I love their bodysuit talaga. Kaso yung white talaga, hindi siya nagkasya sa akin kasi maliit. And I love the material. So makapal, stretchy, and sobrang high quality kahit ganyan mo, hindi yan malulustred, girl. May binili din akong ergonomic chair. Sana dumating na kasi finals na. I really wanted to use it para makapag-review ako ng comfortable. Pero, mag-e-exam na kami on 21st. So, this is the Dr. Althea 345. We'll try this today. Kakagising ko lang and I haven't done my skincare yet. Then we have like 2 more Flashback. Yeah, I got the size medium and extra large. Kasi pag nagtatapon ako ng basura, gusto ko yung isahang babaan na lang kasi nasa second floor ako and ayoko nang paakit baba. So, iniipon ko yung basura ko hanggang mapuno talaga siya. And then this, I'm not sure what this is. Okay. This is the tripod for my DJI camera. Cause I didn't know nga where I'm gonna put it. Now I can move it around with this Olanzi tripod. Okay, we'll try it now. Yung tripod ko na from T&W. I got the color P. It's very lightweight, but I'm secured na hindi, kahit lightweight siya, hindi siya matutumba ng hangin. Kasi yung sa my foot niya, very wide talaga din. And then, I use it na a lot of times. And nakapunta na din yung tripod ko sa Taiwan when we went there. Try and tested ko na siya, kaya okay naman. Kaso parang wala akong nakita from T&W na for camera, or hindi lang ako naghahanap. But this is kind of heavy. I'm not sure if I can bring it everywhere, Kasi I'm the type of girl na ayoko nang mabigat yung bag kasi sobrang nahihirapan ako. Hi guys, today may errands tayo. We're gonna meet a buyer ng iPhone ko. I was supposed to use this, but I changed my mind. And my boyfriend told me not to buy, and it's not a good decision right now, so I'm just gonna resell it. This is brand new and sealed pa. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nagagamit. And I badly wanna open this na. But yeah, I found a buyer, and then the buyer will buy this phone for a cheaper price na nabili ko. Well, ganun talaga. So, ngayon, nagre-ready ako. Kasi ang meet up sa SM Dasma, kasama ko yung kapatid ko. Kapatid ko naliligo pa. Ngayon, ang usapan namin ng buyer, 1 p.m. And it's almost 1 p.m. And I'm gonna use a sunscreen from Ivy. But I'm gonna set this for now. Wala na ata. Okay, kaya pa yan. Ang satisfying kapag nakakaubos na ako ngayon ng product. Ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong bumibili ng mga product kapag meron pa ako. Tsaka lang ako bumibili kapag naubusan na ako. So, I will buy a new sunscreen. Kasi ubos na to. But I love this. This is from the Ivy. Nung nagpa-check up ako, bumili na din ako sa kanila ng sunscreen. This may OOTD. My favorite perfume, the best. Pinakamabang sa lahat. For me. Wag po.
Nawala pa ako.
Sorry
Kanina
po,
pa sa-
pinaghintay pa po namin kayo.
Okay lang?
Thank you po.
Thank you. Ayanin niyo.
Thank you, kuya. Wow! We're done eating, guys. Now we're gonna go to grocery to buy some snacks and ulam for this week. Kasi may limit na ako. I cannot just order food whenever I want. So, I need to cook sometimes. Toothpaste. This.